I think the stars above, I know that we're gonna make it.
Little take over God, we gon' make it. Show the world that I shine in our greatness. Keep it real, never gon' fake this. Till we make it, till we make it. Taking off, flying high like a spaceship. Take control, take a shot, what you waiting for? Keep it real, never gon' fake this. Till we make it, till we make it. Second verse, I'm telling you I'm ready to go, letting you know.
Hey guys, what's up? About to show you something really cool here. Ooh, I got heartburn. All that Thanksgiving turkey I've been eating. About to show you something cool here. One of the, oh, where was my other set of keys at? There we go. One of the other really good reasons that I like having one of these train horn kits. Oh, here, I still gotta get my shit out of the truck. I have to set you guys down here for a second. The old lady's truck's tires are a little low on air. I don't know if y'all can see that. This is my oh shit kit that I carry in the back of my truck all the time. It's got all my tools and stuff in it. Get this out of my truck and into her truck. I'll try to do this without turning the truck on because the compressor will be really loud. Check this out. Via air. I know it's probably looking backwards because I got the camera flipped around. Gosh darn it, let me get the thing open. So I got an extra hose here, but this is a onboard air kit that they send you. So I got an extra length of hose. The tire gauge, it's got the gauge on it. Hooks on. I got a couple other air fittings in here that I keep. And here's the hose. This is the other via air. This is a hose that they send you. So this one I run right off the back of the truck. It's pretty freaking cold out here. Got another air chuck in there. But I keep this stuff. Check this out. It's getting dark. I'm trying to do this quick. I got an air chuck right on the back on my my bumper there, right next to where the license plate mounts. I mounted it there. Get you guys set back up there. I mounted it there so I had quick access to fill my tires up if I needed to. Ooh, that fitting's pretty cold. Shit. Let me put this one in there. There we go. That one's a little straighter. There we go. I gotta kick the compressor on. And again, I don't want to start the truck up because the exhaust will be loud as shit, but get my two hoses going here. And coming off the back of the truck, I will be able to get back in the camera here. Wow, it is cold out here. There we go. Perfect. All right, let me turn the compressor on. We'll fill the old lady's tires up. Alright, there goes the compressor. Let me get you guys flipped around here. Pull my glove off first. Alright, so I got the valve stem caps off. The compressor's filling up. This door closed here. The compressor will fill up quite a few times before it ever has an effect on the battery, but pretty much as simple as this. So this air chuck locks into place. So press it on there and lock it down, and then you're good to go. She should be right at about 35 psi, I think. That should be good there. That's all it takes. I don't know, these trucks sometimes, when they sit outside and the temperature gets pretty cold, the TPMS sensor will go off on them. This is very hard to do with one hand. Alright, there we go. Let's see what we got here. That's it. That's all it takes. And you just put the valve stem caps back on, obviously. Yeah, this is made, I've done this for all kinds of people now so far. So I've had low tires at work in the parking lot. Probably not hearing me very good because the microphone's facing the other way, but yeah, this has saved my butt quite a few times here. And that's all the setup is. So I just got two of those coily Q coat hoses plugged right into the back of the truck, and the Via air chuck that they send with you with the onboard air system. Pretty sweet. Took this thing and washed it today. Now it's cold out. There you go. Let's see what they got up to. I know her, excuse me. Her light was on there on a couple of them. And to be honest, I don't remember which two were low. Let's see what we got. Show me without starting it. I don't even think they went up any. They were at 30. So I got 33 and 33. All right. Pretty short video here, but I'm going to finish topping these tires off and see if this thing's actually got the I think her truck, like mine, has the fill assist in it, so I won't bore you guys with all that. I just kind of wanted to show you the setup here and how easy it is to fill tires up when you hook up that onboard air. Freaking lifesaver. I've done the kids' dirt bike tires, my own truck tires, the wife's tires. Obviously, it's the possibilities are endless if you got to put air in something. So, and I carry all the stuff right here in my kit in the back of my truck, so I always have it. So, pretty cool feature. Not quite as cool as having the air horns and scaring people, but real good feature nonetheless. All right, guys, I'm out. It's freezing. All right, it's getting dark on me pretty quick. I don't know if y'all are gonna be able to see this or not. I'll show you how I wrap these hoses back up. Everybody says they don't fit back in the cases easy enough. As long as you keep them rolled up, they go right back in there. No big deal. Yeah, I don't keep them stretched out for any amount of extended period amount of time. Just like that, guys. Man, this is like a lifesaver. It's like hard to find a I don't know about where y'all are at, but around here it's hard to find a gas station that actually has air pumps at it anymore. And then if you do, you know, they're charging you a freaking $1. And when you're running these big tires like we are, big rims and big tires, that $1 is generally just about enough to fill up one tire if it's low. So you're messing with it constantly. That's it, guys. Like, the hardest part about all that was actually getting the kit out of the back of the truck. I suppose I could have turned my lights on back here, huh? Probably would have made it easier. Let's get this kit put away. That's why I put those lights back there on a switch. Oh, look at that. You got lights in there, too. I don't know if I'll be able to grab this kit and put it back away now, though. That's a lifesaver, guys. This stuff has saved my butt more than once. That is for sure. Sticky guys in this hole over here. Let me see. Yeah, there you go. Now you're out of the way. This is why I had the truck so close so I could get the kid out of it. And what am I doing here? Don't want those. Alright, this is the one that goes behind. This is the one that goes across the top. So I don't know why this thing always breaks loose on me, but if I just have one strap across the top, before I know it, I'm hearing something bang around back here. So I put one behind it, one across the top. When the snow starts falling and it starts getting even crappier out here, I'll put this in the back of my seat. I'll put my seat down and set this back there. This has got all my stuff in it. This kit here is helped me pull a lot of cars out of ditches. Get that one wrapped up there. Pull it tight. Wrapped up in there. Get it hooked. There we go. Alright, now she ain't going nowhere. That's about all she wrote. Ooh, those lights are bright, aren't they? That's it, guys. Simple enough. This thing is a lifesaver. Believe me. I've helped people change tires on the side of the road, and they'll go put their spare on, and their spare will be low on air. All right, let's shut everything off here, and that's it. Tires are serviced, good to go. All right, guys, I'm gonna end that there. I'm freezing. I gotta go start a fire. Got a bunch of boxes to burn. Still getting rid of garbage and cleaning out the garage here. Oh, there we go. But yeah, I gotta go burn all this stuff now. So, all right, I'll see y'all soon. I'll be doing a video here shortly on all the rest of the stuff that I got installed on the truck. Most of it's been on there for probably about 6 months now. The tunes, the exhaust, the amp steps, the lift kit, a little bit less than 6 months on that, but I'm gonna go over all that stuff here in a video here real soon, probably my next couple of days off. I'll get those videos shot and get them out. So, all right, till next time, guys. Thanks for watching. See ya.
I thank the stars above. I know that we're gonna make it.
Little take on we got, we gon' make it. Show the world that I shine in our greatness. Keep it real, never gon' fake this. Till we make it, till we make it. Taking off, flying high like a spaceship. Take control, take a shot, what you waiting for? Keep it real, never gon' fake this. Till we make it, till we make it.